Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to customize YouTube TV's Quadbox Multiview. Are you tired of the default multi-view options on YouTube TV? Do you want to watch exactly the games you want to watch? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through step by step how to personalize your multi-view experience so you can finally create the ultimate sports viewing setup. We'll cover how to select specific games, manage your favorites, and troubleshoot common problems. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. It really helps the channel out. Okay, let's get started. Section 1. Understanding Multiview and its limitations. First, let's quickly understand what Multiview is and what its initial limitations are. YouTube TV's Multiview feature allows you to watch up to 4 different live streams simultaneously on the same screen. This is fantastic for keeping up with multiple games at once, especially during big sports days. However, by default, YouTube TV often selects the games for you based on what it thinks you might want to watch. This can be frustrating if you're trying to follow specific teams or games that aren't part of their automatically generated options. Section 2. Finding and using the Customize option. The key to personalizing your multi-view is to find and use the Customize option. Here's how. First, navigate to the Sports section of YouTube TV. Show on screen how to do this. Look for a multi-view option. Sometimes it will be prominently displayed during major sports events, or you might find it in the For You section. Show examples of both. Instead of just selecting a pre-made multi-view, look for a button or link that says Customize or something similar. This is what gives you the power to choose your own games. Emphasize this. Section 3. Selecting your desired games. Now for the fun part, picking your games. Once you've clicked Customize, you'll see a list of available live games. Show example screen. Simply tap or click on the games you want to include in your multi-view. You'll usually see a preview or indication of which slots each game will occupy in the quad view. Remember, you can only select up to 4 games. Pay attention to the broadcast times. You might accidentally select a game that is almost over. Section 4. Managing your favorites for a smoother experience. To make this process even easier in the future, use the Favorite feature. Before you customize, add your favorite teams and leagues to your account. Go to the YouTube TV settings and find the Live Guide or Sports section. Show on screen where this is. Select your favorite teams. This will help YouTube TV prioritize those games when suggesting multi-view options and making customization easier. Section 5. Troubleshooting common problems. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Here are a few common issues and how to fix them. Problem. The Customize option isn't showing up. Solution. Make sure you're using a supported device, like a Chromecast, Smart TV, or streaming stick. Also, ensure your YouTube TV app is up to date. The Customize feature may not be available on all platforms. Problem. I'm getting an error message when trying to select a game. Solution. This could be due to streaming rights or blackouts. Some games might not be available in your region or on certain devices. Try selecting a different game. Also, make sure you are not exceeding the stream limits on your YouTube TV account. Problem. The games are buffering or the quality is poor. Solution. Check your internet connection. Multiview requires a strong and stable connection. Try restarting your router or lowering the video quality settings within YouTube TV. Section 6. Conclusion and call to action. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your YouTube TV multi-view to watch exactly what you want. No more settling for automatically selected games. Now you can enjoy the ultimate sports viewing experience. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment down below, and we'll do our best to assist you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.